I'm Paul, Camp Tuku's Sustainability Director. Today we're going to talk about composting. This is my composter. It's called a tumbler composter. We roll it over. This is where we put your table scraps in. Today I have table scraps in my house. Your mom and dad will have the same thing, leftovers from dinner, onions, bananas, coffee grinds. I'm going to dump this into the composter. We're going to put the lid back on. We're going to tumble it here a couple times, get it stirred up good. It's so important to do composting. It keeps all these foods out of the landfill, but it also puts nutrients back into the ground as it turns back into dirt and helps your vegetables and your plants to grow so much better. Join us again next week on Camp Tuku Live. Share us on Facebook. Have a great weekend.